Hi and welcome to another watch unboxing. This is yet another new watch just arrived. Let's unbox and see what is inside. Alright, let's unbox. Okay. Another box inside. There are some documents here. Alright, this is a Proxima watch. See the document. Screwdriver. So I guess it comes with the bracelet has to come with screw pins. The signed warranty card. Come on, this is great. This is the first time I think I have got a signed warranty card. 5/8/2025. That's good. That's good. This is a user manual to use the watch and all. So this is it. Let's see. Proxima, have they changed their packaging? Seem to be a new one because earlier it was the regular Pelican case. I don't want to show you because we have unboxed many Pelican cases on this channel. Alright, this looks lovely. This is the new case from Proxima. Very nice looking. Alright, boxes aside. Have a look at it, guys. It appears very similar to the San Martin new box, but there aren't any zippers over here. It's very nice indeed. You want to see the San Martin? This is the San Martin case. Very similar. San Martin comes with an zipper. This one doesn't. All right, let's get to the watch. It's already a good impression for me. Let's take the watch out. Nice pillow. This is the similar one which San Martin came with. This is a very nice tool. This is a bracelet tool to remove the bracelet screws, which is very nice touch. If any one of you wondering why there is no spring bar tool, I'll tell you there's a reason why they didn't send a spring bar tool. Alright, let's get to the watch. Oh boy, it's up and running already, which is a really good sign. Out of the box, working, looks nice, fantastic first impression. Look at it, guys. That's absolutely lovely. Lovely looking watch. Have a look at it. Still the wrapping is on. I already impressed. Fantastic watch. Guys, many of you watching have not subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe and help the channel. That is the only way that you can help the channel and we can bring you more and more watches like this, because I'm putting a lot of effort in bringing these videos to you. So please support by hitting that subscribe button. Alright, let's take this wrapping off and get back to you. All the wrappings off, I guess. Oh boy, have a look at it. A fantastic white dial. This is a lacquered white dial, guys. You can call this color a polar. Yes, polar bear. Why I'm calling it that way is I'll tell you that in the full review, because this has something related to the polar color, which is been used in Explorer 2. So this has a small link to that, but this is a fantastic color and a dial. I really like red on white. Some people like the orange, but I really like the red. Have a look at the case finishing, brush and mirror polish, chamfered, wonderful light play, great, gorgeous looking watch, absolutely fantastically finished by Proxima. It's a double dome crystal. Yes, it is a double dome crystal. I think you can see that. And it's sapphire. We will do all those testing on the full review because this watch is absolute spec monster. Because this is a sapphire sandwich watch. This is the first time I'm experiencing such a watch because the case back can see a see-through case back here, which is also sapphire. This is not mineral crystal. This is sapphire back. So that's why we call this a sapphire sandwich. And I told you earlier, they didn't include a spring bar tool. The reason they didn't include a spring bar tool because this comes with an, I hope you can see that, a quick release system. We call this a quick bracelet removal. You can pinch and remove it. It's very easy. And also, since they included a screwdriver, this is screw pin. You can see the bracelet is screw pin. And have a look at this clasp. It's a fantastic milled clasp, fully milled, both ends. And and we have quick micro adjustment. This is fantastic, guys, for the money that you are paying. Fantastic feature. See how quickly you can adjust it. I think almost six micro adjustment, which is really good. You can get your fit correct with these type of on the fly adjustment. Is absolutely great for the amount what you are paying. And look at this finishing on this bracelet. It is absolutely luxurious build. Comes with female endlings, which is something I really starting to love from these AliExpress brands. They give you this female endlings which will hug your wrist when you wear it. See, there's no overhang, which is really good indeed. This is a homage to the Christopher Ward C63 Sealander GMT. If you don't know about Christopher Ward is one of the up and coming new micro brands which doing really great. This is not a straight homage. There are plenty of changes to this, but they have taken impression from the Christopher Ward Sealander GMT. Let's have a look at the crown. Crown is signed crown. It's a very nice logo indeed. I really like the logo. And I think they can use this particular logo on their dial. It looks good. I don't know, I like it. A simple flower-like logo looks great. I am surprised why they didn't use this logo on the dial. It would have looked good. And I really like the dial. No too much of writing. Proxima and automatic 100 meters is really good. Let's have a look at the crown action. When you unscrew, this is the winding position. The next position will be to change your date and the GMT hand. No issues there in changing the date, and you can change the GMT hand. I think it's good jump, good action. And when you go to time setting position, the second hand does act and set the time. It's a really nice feeling in day. Good action. Very good action indeed. A fixed GMT bezel. The numbers are marked in black. These are applied markers. I hope it is absolutely filled with room because I know I have experienced Proxima before and they give good room. This is one of the great brands, guys. Even when people, many doesn't know about Proxima, Proxima is one of the best brand on AliExpress. They were there for a very long time. Alright, let's have a quick wrist shot of this particular watch. It sits really nice on my wrist. Mine is a 6.5-inch average wrist. Have a look at it. I don't see any overhanging. It's nice proportion. Good looking watch. And it's a 39 millimeter, but wears, I think it appears it wears 39, but it appears more like a 40, 42. Because the reason for that is they have taken full advantage of this particular dial. They have taken bigger portion for the dial. That's why the dial looks bigger than 39 and the watch looks fantastically well built. Have a look at that brushing and the polishing going on there. Come on, guys. What else you can expect from an budget watch? They have given you everything. Sapphire sandwich, screw down crown, screw down case back with sapphire glass on it, quick release. I mean, a quick release bracelet system, and a quick adjustment class. I mean, you can't ask for anything more, right? You get absolutely everything on this watch. Any good? Let's switch off these lights and see. I told you, right? The loom is going to be good. Yeah, this is without any additional lighting or UV treatment, anything such as that. This is just from the studio light. After I filmed this video, have a look at that BGW9. It really glows, right? Fantastic loom. They always give you good loom. If I give it a UV blast, it will be even more great. Alright guys, stay tuned for the full review. Hit that subscribe button. Help the channel. Thank you very much. It's a fantastic looking watch.